How to install Tulip Roman Shade. Follow these simple steps and you'll have it installed in no time. Here is the complete Tulip Roman Shade set, including all necessary accessories. Here are the tools needed for installation. Make sure to prepare them in advance. Okay, let's get started.
Place the shade in its designated position. Use a spirit level to ensure that the shade is level.
Position the Roman Shade in its installation spot and mark the bracket drilling points. Punch holes for mounting. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the bracket. Clip the headrail to the brackets. That's it. Your outside mount Tulip Roman Shade is all set. Place the Roman Shade in its installation spot and mark the mounting position. Mark drill points using the bracket. Punch holes for mounting. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the bracket. Clip the headrail to the brackets.
Position the safety buckle at a suitable location inside the window frame and mark the screw hole positions. Make holes using a drill. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the safety buckle with screws. That's it. Your safety buckle is securely installed.
That's it. Your inside mount Tulip Roman Shade is all set.